आई एम श्योर ये सवाल डेफिनेटली लास्ट सवाल से और आसान हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि हम लोग बार बार कॉची बुनियाकॉस्की श्वार्ज़ इनइक्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं। ठीक उसी सेटअप से अगर मैं देखूं, लेट से पहले क्वेश्चन क्या है, x1 प्लस x2 अप टू xn into 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 up to 1 upon xn is greater than or equal to n square. Now how we are going to apply from the setup of Cauchy-Bunyakovsky-Schwarz inequality? So let's first write what is Cauchy-Bunyakovsky-Schwarz inequality. If you all remember, it was a1 b1 plus a2 b2 up to an bn whole square was less than equal to a1 square up to an square into b1 square up to bn square, if you remember, right? Okay, now last time in C5 problem what we did, we replaced b by 1, but now how am I going to look the whole scenario from the setup of the equality? What was the inequality given to prove? It was something like n square is let me see, what was the inequality? It was, okay, so it was n square is less than equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn into 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 up to 1 upon xn. Now if you look closely, what exactly is happening? If you look, it is a1 square plus a2 square up to n square, and this is x1 plus x2 up to xn. This is b1 square up to bn square. This is 1 upon x1 into 1 plus 1 upon x2 up to 1 upon xn. And in the left hand side you see a pure number, and which is a natural number, and in the left hand side you see a1 b1 plus a2 b2 up to an bn whole square. So my idea, if we look closely, what exactly is happening is a1 square is actually something like x1 and a2 square is something acting like x2. So what I can say is a1 is root x1, a2 is root x2, and an is root xn. So if I put a1 as root x1, a2 as root x2, something settles down very comfortably. Same way, if you look into b1 square as 1 upon x1, so what you can say, b1 setups like something like under root x1. Similarly, b2 settles like 1 upon root x2. And b3 settles down something like 1 upon root x3. So what you can see is a1 b1 is 1, a2 b2 is 1 because both are reciprocal, a3 b3 is 1. So now substituting these information, everything settles down very quickly. So in Cauchy-Bunyakovsky inequality, I am putting as a1 b1 as 1 plus 1 up to 1. So how many pairs you have? N pairs added 1 times, 1 added n times, so that becomes n, less than equal to a1 square can be comfortably written as x1 plus x2 up to xn, and b1 square can be written as 1 upon x1 up to 1 upon xn. So yes, I can say n square would be less than equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn into 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon xn. I hope you are enjoying CBS inequality. I hope you understood it. I hope अब जब भी आपको लाइफ में CBS inequality से मिलती जुलती कोई भी चीज़ दिखे, तो you will be able to tackle that. Okay, see you soon.